my name's Sam. I recently completed the Thrive program with my coach Lucy. Yeah, what an experience. Absolutely amazing. The changes that I've noticed in myself are incredible in just a few short weeks. I went through the program for Emetophobia and Agoraphobia. So growing up I was always a little bit of an anxious kid, suffered with bad panic attacks and that sort of thing. And as I got older it got worse, which a few months ago it hit its peak. Started to have panic attacks every day. Felt like I couldn't leave the house without panicking, or having really bad anxiety. Social anxiety was really bad too. Just kind of hit rock bottom. And that's why I reached out, and I started the program. And it was just amazing from session one. Everything was really digestible and really easy. You knew exactly what you had to do or exactly what was going on, and understanding your mind and how you're creating these issues and that sort of thing, and having a coach there for guidance was just incredible. It was so worth it, to have somebody there for accountability, and I guess to help you understand the concepts and to make everything easy, even when you needed some support as well. They were there for me as well. So yeah, Lucy was amazing. In just a few short weeks now, I feel like I've changed completely as a person. I'm able to go out, I'm able to leave my house without having any panic attacks or any anxiety. I'm able to go out with mates again, out for dinners, to birthdays, out for drinks, without a worry, and without those what if thoughts plaguing you of something going wrong, or you feeling anxious or panicking or anything like that. Like now I can just go out, enjoy myself, and it's just like life is kind of good again, and it's fun, and I'm excited to get out there and live, which is just crazy to think. I was feeling completely different a few weeks ago. So I'm even training now to be a Thrive coach myself. That's how much this program has helped me and changed my life. So that's how much I believe in it. So I'm hoping now that I can go out and help some others as well. So if you're on the fence about doing Thrive, or if you're struggling at all, I would highly recommend you jump into this program, dive in. It's absolutely amazing. It's worth every penny. I know that it would absolutely change your life just like it has mine. So thanks for watching.